Anna, your music that moment. Anna, that. Oh, where we are. We are down here in Falmouth, and it is fantastic. 2019 cross country tour, and of course, you know, so I have some fun stuffs because it's Friday. So this is so funny. The lady who was organizing the game, I tell her it's musical hoops. Ask her if she never played musical chairs as a child. She says she don't remember. Who never played musical chairs as a child? Who played musical chairs as a child? Let me see the hands. Oh no, that's sad. All right, well, let me explain it to you. Quick. When the music starts, we're going to prance around, tum, 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 tum. No cheating. You're going to go all the way around all three. And then when the music stops, you find one of the hoops to jump in. Anybody who is without a hoop means that you're out of the game. Now look here. You see this gentleman that have a very nice broken arm? Uno, don't damage him here. And then Mr. Gentleman with the broken arm, don't use a cast and damage nobody else, all right? On your marks. Are we ready, Mr. Music Man? Get set. You have to wait for the music, though. We're not hearing no music. All right, you want me? Oh, okay. All right. Don't fling your hand, just go on through. Don't step on the hoops. All right. And they're off. Hey. Ah, Madam in the white, you're the first one out. Just make your way to this side of the set for me. While Mr. All right, lady and gentlemen, please step out of the hoop. We're going to go again. Let's go. Hey, hold on. Are your game or am I game? Go on. Hey. The last person who jump in, you know. Who jump in last? The lady in the striped shirt, right? Okay. I'm so sorry, ma'am, but it's 15,000 pair of eye out here, so everybody says you jump in last. All right. There's only one left. Could we please push this one over into the middle? Here we go. Lady and gentlemen, they're battling out. All right. Don't go too close, you know. Stop hitch up on it so tight, man. Get little room. Get little breathing room. Don't fling your hand. Fling your foot. Mind your drop, you know. Hey. Look it. Oh, I think we forgot to do that over, you know, because this look like a fight. He out. How much people saying out? Yeah, I forgot to do it over. Come and never say and I am the judge. Are you ready, Mr. Music Man? Send on. And don't turn your back. Please don't turn your back. Walk around the hoop. Mr. Music Man, send on. We ready? Look at the music, no mean. All right.
I see academical achievements.
You not get a little something like a breathing room, no man, on no tight so. Give it a little breathing room. Clear. All right. Oh, no, he went in first. He did. I saw it with my own two eyes. He went in first. He did. And so our winner this morning is a gentleman. Please come to the side and make sure you collect your prize. Thank you so much for participating. You know you're not going home empty-handed. Please go and check with the lady. All right. We have another game. We're going to do the other game right now. Or we're going to go. Yes? All right. Well, this game is kind of funny. Take down the music a little bit, please, Mr. Selector, because I'm not thinking the people are able to hear me with that noise. Great. Fantastic. All right. This game kind of funny, right? Them say we're going to use lemon and spoon, but I think we're going to use lime, because I think lemon kind of big. You don't think so? From what I know of lemon, them both this big. But we're going to use lime and spoon. Can we bring our contestants over, Jody? Wonderful. Come this side, please, folks. All right. Bring the lime and bring the spoon. This game, is lime and spoon, but you're not running with the lime or the spoon. I'm going to give you some things to do with the lime and the spoon. Boy, I don't know if them can manage that one here. It's the lady and the gentleman. They're going to battle it out. We have anybody else? Come on over. Here we go. We have one more contestant. Run, come, run, come, run, come. We're live on TV and we're taking too long. Good, don't drop though. All right, this one, what we're going to do is follow my instructions carefully, right? It's an instruction game. Now, the last person who still has the lemon and the spoon where I tell you to put it will be the winner. Now, place your lime into the spoon. Now, you're going to take the lime and the spoon and put it in your mouth. And you're going to hold it in your mouth for 30 seconds without dropping it on the ground, not with your hand. So put it in and hold it. You cannot drop it on the ground. Them clean, them just by. Alive. We're ready. Can change the spoon? She said that one have something on it. We don't want to give her that. Here we go. All right. On your marks. Get set. Go. What? The angle of the spoon. That was a trick one. Me purposely never tell them because I wanted to see if that was going to happen. All right, let me be very specific. I know, that was my fault. Just because I wanted to see if you were going to do it. You're going to put the handle of the spoon in your mouth, all right? And you're going to see if you can balance the lime on the spoon. Are you ready? On your marks. Get set, go. 30 seconds. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Don't move it now. Now, put one hand on top of your head and put the other one on your ear and hold it. All right, and you have 20 seconds, 19 seconds. Boogie now, you're afraid to move? You think you're going to drop it? Hey. 15, 14, 13, 12, 10, 6, 2, 1. All right, now put your hands in the center of your chest. Fold your arms. Give me a little boogie with it, man. Give me a little boogie. Mind you drop your line. Hey, balance. All right, now, you're going to lift up one leg and hold your foot behind you. And you're going to stick out one hand. Hold it. Come on, hold it. On the check, come on, a buckle. Hold it. Don't let it go. Come in. Hold it. All right. Hey. Hold it. Aye. And one down. 2 to go. Hold it. Come on. Oh, no, can't so steady now. Now, give me a little. Come on. Come in. Hey. Me see the foot to what try one up on it. We ready? All right. Tell me now. Hands up in the air. Front of you. Side of you. Up in the air. Down. Round. Turn. Up in the air. Jiggle wiggle. Round. Drop. Oh, no, let it go. You know why you don't lose already, right? You know, so you lose it long time because your foot got grown, right? But me just want to see if you don't really jump up and down. Let me tell you, jump up and down. Ladies and gentlemen, you're a winner. You see how him concentrate? This was surgery for him, you know. I'm ready and him put his mind to it and he make sure him do it. But nobody leaves empty-handed, ladies and gentlemen. When you come out to our cross-country tour, we've got you. You never leave without something. And, of course, I better your spoon after nobody no want it again. You better. So, on behalf of TVJ and from CALS, of course, we just want to present you with this wonderful little token. Thank you for participating. We appreciate it. Guys, we're going to go for a little break, but we're going to be right back. We're not going anywhere. We're not done yet. And the sun is out. It's warm. Come on down if you're anywhere close. For your body, oh baby. No do, gotta for me.